Today we're going to install this double coat hat hook. Again, this is our champagne brass with the flush back, and we're going to be installing it right here. This is our hall closet that's getting full of lots of kids things and vacuum cleaners and Halloween costumes, so we're going to need a little bit extra space. So we're going to take this hook, we're going to put it right here, okay? Now the things that we have for this, again, here's our screws. Again, we'll need 2 of these for each hook. So we've got 2 screws here, screws with the same finish as the hook. And then we also have these. These are the drywall anchors. This is a hollow core door, so we're not going to need any anchors for this project. And a couple other things we have. We've got a pencil here, which we can use to mark where we want to put the screws in. You know, for something this easy, you're probably not going to need to get this complicated. We can probably just, just screw it straight in. But you can do that if you'd like. Also got a level if you want to keep, make sure everything's straight. But again, this is a relatively simple installation, so you can really just eyeball it, especially for something that's going inside the closet. We're not going to see that so much. Again, if you want to, you can use a screw or impact driver, like a screw gun or impact driver like this. I don't think it's super necessary. We're just going to take the screwdriver here and put it in. So what you want to do is get your screws, get an idea of where you want to put it. Again, this is for kid stuff. Maybe you want to make it a little bit lower so they can reach it. Okay, just going to take it. Magnetic tip screwdriver is always helpful. So we're going to take it here, find a spot that you like. Again, we'll pick right here, and slowly just start screwing it in. Okay, once you've got one side almost all the way in, still leave yourself some room to make an adjustment. Take the next screw, see if you've got it even. Looks pretty good. And we do the exact same thing on this side. Okay, make sure you've got it centered up. Okay, now we can go ahead, tighten the screws a little bit. We don't want to over tighten, so we strip out the hole, but get it so it's in there pretty good. And now we have more storage space.